guys, this is Jerry with yet another video. And in this video, we are going to unbox my brand new power supply I bought for my new PC. So this is Cooler Masterwatt 750 bronze edition. The power supply comes with 80 plus bronze edition. Actually, for my build, 650 watt is more than enough, but unfortunately 650 watt power supply was short in the market. That's why I went for the 750. In case in the future, if I have any plan to upgrade my PC, sometimes I could use the same power supply, right? So this power supply is semi-fanless modular 80 plus bronze certified power supply. So let's see what's inside, right? So guys, let's unbox it and let's see what's inside. It's a manual, user guide. Comes with nice packaging and you have all the cables. It's actually semi-modular, so this is the power cable. Let's see what's inside this package. Connectors. Graphics card. SATA connector for hard drive and SSDs. PCI take a look at this paste. So it has a 24 pin connector and there is another 8 pin connector and there are some screws. So if I open this, just keep it. Wow, this is a piece. Actually, power supply comes with a nice matte finish casing. This looks really cool. And as this is a modular, semi-modular, you could actually easily connect the cables, and it's also good for cable management. That's it. 750 watt bronze certified. For a powerful gaming PC or a workstation like I'm going to pick, you shouldn't be going for anything below 80 plus bronze certification. 80 plus bronze certification ensures a typical efficiency of 85%. Being one of the premium power supplies offered by Cooler Master, this piece actually comes with quiet fan blades offering a long lifetime of quiet cooling and durable LDB bearing, and 15% of fanless design ensures noise-free basic computing. Thanks for watching. For more videos like this and also some gaming videos, give it a thumbs up. Also hit the subscribe button.